Hello everybody! Today I will show you how you can add automatic subtitles to your videos. You can use it for TikTok, for YouTube, or everything else. For the time, it's a free tool from Microsoft. So you go to Microsoft Store directly on your Windows, and we will search for Clipchamp. Clipchamp. You can see it's from Microsoft. I have already installed it. So you will find it here, and you have to click on install. I will just open it. It's a very simple soft. I realized it's for smaller projects, so you can't edit a few hours of videos. But for small projects, it's very good. So you have to click on create a new video. Okay, we have to wait a little bit. And now here on the left, we have to import our media. Okay, I will import some random video that I have worked on. We have to drop it here, to drag it here on the timeline. And after that, we go to captions on the right and click on try now. We choose the language. My video is not in English, is in Romanian. Okay, let me find Romanian. And we hit transcribe media. Here we can see it's processing. I think it's cloud processing. It will take some minutes or a few seconds, depends on the length of the video. Mine is almost 1 minute video, and it's we can see that it takes about half a minute maximum. Okay, and it's done. We can see that the subtitles are generated. You can edit them if something didn't work. You can make it smaller, depends on your needs. You can change the font, a lot of fonts here you can choose from. And yes, it's very nice because it's free, and it's already on Microsoft Store, so and it's very intuitive. It's a very clean soft, you can see. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope I helped somebody. See you next time. Bye.